Hello, my name is Gavin Soady and my student number is 20091541. And this is my project, Crypto Tracker 2.0. I continued on from my assignment number one rather than starting from scratch. I tried to add in some fragments, so nav drawer and MVVM design patterns. Okay, so this is my list of cryptocurrencies. I have images put in for these guys for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether, and for anything that there's not images available, put this in as a placeholder here. This is the amount and the price. So these have come in as raw data passed in to the views, and this is being passed in through the controller based on or through the model, and just to show that I have considered some formatting. Okay, so if I click on here, we can add in some crypto. So new new crypto. So we put 100 and 12. Add crypto, and then we check the crypto list. Go down the bottom, new crypto, and 112, and the total is 1200. Okay, I've lost the ability to update and delete because I haven't been able to pass args as yet. What I do have is the nav drawer to pass through to add crypto and to on the crypto list. I have the ability to swipe left and right. I've used commit history, tagged releases, and develop branch, and I have used adhere to material design and guidelines, and I've used the MVVM design patterns. So if I just do a restart, I will show you that I've used JSON and the local database for persistence of data. So scroll down, and new crypto is still there and still available. I think my app was very difficult to convert from assignment one to assignment two coding standards. I probably should have started again from scratch, built out the assignment two using the fragments. I wasted a lot of time trying to get my app up to full functionality from the start rather than learning how to pass arguments using fragments. So I did spend a lot of time trying to get the functionality back straight away rather than then kind of cement the design patterns in. I taken assignment one and converted from MVP to MVP, and then trying to convert the fragments design protocol. I had to go back to MVC when from based on the lectures. I had to bring it back from because I had already converted to MVP, and then I had to brought it back to just an MVC, and then I had to convert to MVVM again, which I lost a lot of functionality doing this. I spent way too much time trying to get the functionality back, like the maps, the updates, the deletes, and these weren't ready to be fixed yet. I should have just put the design patterns and the architecture in place first before I worried about um, updating and making sure every feature worked, because I was just too worried about breaking it. And worrying about breaking it, I probably broke it even more. I suppose my learning experience from this is to set up the design protocols first before worrying about features and functionality. And probably sometimes it's better to start from scratch rather than try to convert into a new design architecture. And definitely use the Android built-in features as much as possible, because it was quite difficult trying to convert it from the basic design patterns in assignment one and into assignment two. Yep, but I'll definitely be giving this another go. Probably starting again in from the using fragments and then kind of building out the features then based on that. I think it'd be a much better approach. Okay, thanks for listening and goodbye.